What's up guys, this is Raf and welcome back. So for today's video, we'll be doing a speed test and benchmark comparison of the very first Pro iPhone, which is the iPhone 11 Pro, versus the current Pro iPhone, which is the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So here are their specs. For the iPhone 11 Pro, it is powered by Apple A13 Bionic chip with 4GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, while the iPhone 17 Pro Max is powered by the Apple A19 Pro with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. Both are updated on iOS 26, and without any further ado, let's start the speed test. So far, the results are what we expected. The iPhone 17 Pro Max wins this convincingly and ahead on most apps and games. I also noticed that the 11 Pro is faster in getting hot comparing the 17 Pro Max. Though the 11 Pro is slower and less powerful, but on the speed test, the 11 Pro is not that left behind that much, even though it is already a 6-year-old phone. And that is the testament on how powerful are the Apple chips are. So that is my speed test and benchmark comparison of the iPhone 17 Pro Max versus the iPhone 11 in 2026. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.